Hi, I'm Eric from the EasyCruit team. I'm going to show you how to send selected candidates for review by one or more people. To access panel review, from the start page, we'll click on Vacancy List. Then we'll click on the vacancy we want to access and click on All Applications. We'll select the candidates we want to review and then select Send for Panel Review from the Select Further Progress list. Then we'll click Execute. This takes us to the Send for Panel Review page. Here we have a template email that will be sent to all the users we select from the internal and external recipient box. The internal recipient list is limited to users who are part of the department the vacancy is linked to. We can click in the internal recipient box and search for the users we want, or start typing in the names of the users we want, and EasyCruit will show us suggestions. The external recipient box can include any email address we wish to include, and these recipients don't need to have a login to EasyCruit. Remember that these recipients will receive personal information about the candidate, so ensure that you comply with your organization's rules for sharing personal information. We can modify the from address if required. By default, this is set to the logged in user's email address, but it can be changed, for example, to a no reply email. The subject and content of the email is set to the default created by our administrator, and we can modify the subject of the email if required. The merge tags in curly brackets include the project title, how many applicants have been submitted to the reviewer for review, and the URL from which the reviewers undertake their review. And reviewers do not need to log into EasyCruit to undertake their review. Now we can check the relevant tick boxes. These are: do not allow rating. Ticking this box means reviewers cannot provide a 1 to 7 rating for a candidate. Do not allow comments. Ticking this box means that reviewers can only rate with numbers and cannot provide textual comments against the candidate. Remember that in some countries, candidates may ask for a transcript and therefore notes entered may be requested by the candidate. Email me each time a reviewer completes. Ticking this box means that you, as a logged-in user, receive an email when a reviewer completes the review of their candidates. For example, if you send candidates to 5 people for them to review, you'll receive 5 emails in return. Note that this can result in many emails if we regularly request a lot of candidates to be reviewed by a lot of people. Then we'll click Send. From the email the reviewer receives, we can follow the link and then click on the name of the candidate to see an overview of their profile, CV, and cover letter. Note that responses to position-specific questions are not included in this view. They can then provide their rating and comments as appropriate. And then click Send. The candidates we've submitted for panel review are now listed under Panel Review on the Application Handling page. From here, we can see the average rating for all candidates. From the Recruitment Activities list of a candidate, we can see which reviewers have provided a review and which are still pending. Once at least one review has been submitted, a series of stars, as well as an additional tab called Collaborative Rating, will become visible on the candidate's application and CV page. The stars represent the candidate's score on a scale of 1 to 7. The top row of stars shows the candidate's average rating based on all the reviewers, and the bottom row of stars is where we can decide what our own rating is for the candidate. After we've given our rating, the average score will automatically update. We can see on the Collaborative Rating tab all the scores and comments reviewers have given.